Welcome to your guided meditation for beginners. Begin your meditation today by finding a comfortable position. Sitting cross-legged and leaning against a wall if you need it. Placing your hands on your knees, with the palms of your hands pointing upward or downward, depending on how you feel. Closing your eyes and simply begin to witness your breath. Feeling the inhale coming through the nostrils and exhale out. Inhale in, long exhale out. Letting go of all the tension in your body. Begin to observe the movement in your breath without trying to control it. If your breath begins to change, becoming slower or slightly faster, allow these changes to happen without any resistance or anticipation. Completely surrender yourself to your breath. Deep inhale in through your nose. Long exhale out through your nose. Feeling your body slightly expand as you inhale. Your chest expands, your belly rises. As you exhale, your chest contracts, your belly lowers. As you stay here with your breath, begin to feel the coolness of the air as it travels through your nostrils on your inhale. The warmth of the air as it travels out of your nostrils on your exhale. Inhale and exhale. And again, deep breath in, filling your lungs with as much oxygen as you can. And exhale, completely letting go. As you are sitting here in your comfortable position, it is very normal for our minds to begin to wander. If your attention drifts away to a particular thought in your mind, or perhaps the sound of the environment, or sensation in your body, gently bring your awareness back to breathing. Focusing on the inhale and the exhale. Remember, distractions are completely normal, especially in the first stages of your meditation journey. Remember to be patient with yourself. Be patient with your mind. Just as anything physical, meditation takes regular practice. Through meditation, you will learn the practice of patience. Patience with your mind. Patience with your body. This practice of patience will transport to your everyday life. Staying with your breath. Inhale in, exhale out. Again, if your mind wanders, come back to the sensations of the coolness coming into the nostrils as you inhale, and the warmth traveling out of your nostrils as you exhale. Begin to feel the heart beating in your chest. The source of life. Begin to feel your lungs expand and contract, bringing amazing nutrients and oxygen into your lungs. Your breath is what's keeping you alive, keeping you going, keeping you happy. Take a moment and focus on simply that. A beautiful breath in, exhale out. With each inhalation, allow yourself to feel more relaxed, more at ease, and more comfortable. Inhale and exhale. Staying with your breath. You have nothing else to worry about. You deserve to take this 10 minutes and connect with your body. Connect with your mind and your spirit. As you're sitting there with your eyes closed, begin to notice if you start to see any colors or shapes in front of you. Every person is different in what they see. Some might not see anything at all at first. Just accept what is. Allow yourself to notice, but not pay attention too much. Simply allow things to come to you. focus on simply breathing in and out. Continuing to breathe, bringing your mind back to your breath if it decides to wander. Not allowing frustration to take over. You are exactly where you need to be in this practice right now. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly begin to bring awareness back to your body. You may begin to add movement to your fingers. Slowly opening your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Just take a moment for yourself. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and reach your arms up over your head and give your body a nice stretch. Bring the palms of your hands together and bring them down to your heart. Gently bow your head down towards your hands, towards your heart. Thank yourself for giving your being, your mind, your body, your spirit, time to connect and time to meditate. Thank you for joining me. Remember, continue to practice. Continue to take the time each day to meditate, to reconnect and love. Thank you, and I hope to see you again soon.